the exhaust is actually off. My mechanics found some bends and some tweaks in the pipes that they weren't comfortable with. So they took the entire exhaust off, and we've ordered a MagnaFlow kit that should be in a couple days. And they just weren't happy with some of the adaptions that they saw, some of the flattened spots that were in the Ford exhaust. So right now we're running straight pipe. It's deleted almost exactly right where your resonator's set. And we're gonna see if we can get some turbo spool sound. Now, unfortunately, my video editing skills are lacking, so this might be a couple different videos, but I want to exhibit some turbo whine from this and then from one of my other vehicles, which is a diesel. See if we can get the same turbo whine. So we've got turbo whine. Now we're going to try the turbo whine out of a 4-inch straight piped Hummer. This is a Hummer I've had for about 5 or 6 years. And this is a 4-inch straight pipe right out the back, and it's got some monstrous turbo whine. God, this video is going to suck.